Oh yeah, still a chunk of shit. Let's do something about it. Right, welcome back everyone. It's another part, another installment. I appreciate you coming and watching again. Too much procrastination has been going on and I need to turn this into a neck. So today in this video, I promise this is going to be at least sat in a neck pocket and all carved out.
Whatever, you bitch!
And looking like a guitar. It's about time. God, I've been busy. Let's get stuck in. So what is the protocol? I'll tell you what the protocol is. Can you see that on there, Mr. Side Zoom? Just checking that Dave can see what's going on, because obviously, you know, he's the man. This neck is still a giant chunk of shit. I'll show you what the Revstar looks like that we're copying, blagging, extorting, whatever you want to say, I don't care. It's over here, it's hung up. So here's me guitar. I'll put her back together a little bit. She's looking a bit sad. There's the neck. This is what we want to copy. I've got to make this that shape. That's not that difficult, is it? Or is it? New blade in the bandsaw, one that actually goes around corners, because I had one that was only really good for chopping logs. Load of shit. That's all fixed. I'm going to measure this meticulously. I'm going to mark it on here, and then I'm going to cut it nowhere near the fucking line. And then painstakingly, because this is not going to go in the jig, I'm just going to set this up on the bench and we're going to shape this neck by hand, old school, which is nice actually. I haven't done that for quite a while. So settle in. Let's see if we can get this video done in 15 minutes. Watch to the end, because I normally put a bit of effort in the end. And if you stop watching early, YouTube tells me and I feel a bit sad. And also, look how many subscribers I've got. We need to get to 1,000. Then we're monetized and we've made 1p. We can make 1p within... What is it now? August. Really? We got started in February? So we could get 1p in 7 months.
That's impossible.
Beyond my wildest dreams. I'll set up Big Dave. We'll get some close-ups, some beauty shots, because my mug won't be in it. And we'll get moving, all right? Settle down, everyone. Settle down. I know you're excited. I know. Okay, so Big Dave's set up. We have got Le Vernier.
Fart in your general direction.
This is actually my crap ruler. It's all bent and knackered and discoloured, but it's the only one with a font I can see without reading glasses. So take from that what you will. Don't get old, everyone. It's bollocks.
Loose skin and old balls. Gross.
So at the nut, we have got a volute. So if I measure that from the fretboard, let's try and make this look like I'm not an absolute... 29.3 from the fretboard to the bottom of the volute. So that's where my volute's going. The science will blow you away. At the 12th, I've got 24 mil. That's huge. That's a baseball bat. We'll start with that. We'll see how we get on. So I'm going to measure at the 3rd fret, and I've got 20 mil. 20 and a half. That's more normal. What word would you use instead of scallop? Comment below. Start it with pour your tit. Challenge accepted. That's that. Let's get really technical now. I'm going to use something that's round. I'm going to give myself that shape there. You've got to watch this, Doris. He's only drawing around a fucking tin.
You sound like you're from London.
Yeah, I'll draw around a tin. What do you want to do about it? I hope you can see that on camera. I'll know it on the edit whether or not I've been a wanker. So I'm going to rough cut most of this now on the bandsaw. That's nerve-wracking. I've never done a neck like this before. I'd love you to think I'm being massively professional and this is just all taken in my stride. But it's not. I've been doing a million things other than what I need to do because I've been avoiding this process. It's nice though, because this neck could kill someone at the minute at its current weight. Let's do some bandsawing, shall we, with a new blade? Oh, I've got a wonky camera. Next phase. We've got to router this body. Let's have a little look at what we're doing. Shall we? I'll point you through. I'll take you through it. Naturally, we'll do a lot of this on the side camera. I've got this set up on the bench. I've marked my centre lines over here. Hopefully you can see that on that one.
Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody cares.
You might not. I'm basically using 2 straight edges, and I'm going to line everything up and make sure that my neck pocket is going along the line that I need. A centre finding ruler is very useful. There you go, my centre line is spot on there, and I'm nice and equal down here, 32mm either side. So that is where that is going. Now very carefully remove everything. That is now a router jig, and I'll show you how it works. Over in the dirty area.
That sounded naughty.
Couple of router bits needed for this. Eyes and ears on. Okay, so we're routed out. Testing, sounds on, that's a good start. I've still got to figure out angle in the pocket. I think on this one occasion, I need to figure out some sort of jig to route an angled neck pocket next time. This build is all about learning for me. Once again, you're learning with me, I'm showing you my learning process.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for him.
Don't think I've made 100 of these. I haven't. Loads of Fender and other style. I'm a bolt-on neck guy. This is all a bit new for me. I fancy doing something a bit taxing. So don't judge. Encouragement only, please. So what I'm probably going to do on this one is plane the bottom of my neck, angle it myself, just do it manually. Either way, I'm sure it's the wrong way, and it's something I need to do a bit of homework about. However, in the meantime, my neck fits nicely in the pocket. Again, it's going to be angled more like that. It's like a 1 or 2, it's hardly anything on the Yamaha, 1 or 2 degrees. All I really want for now is this bit, because I want to know where I'm going to be profiling my neck from. So that is where it goes into the body. That's nice and easy. I'm going to leave myself a nice flat section about there. So I'm not going to file back any more than that. And everything else we can shape and make love to and do whatever we want. Fuck yeah. Shape of that doesn't matter. So I'm going to bung this on the neck holder. It's just a fucking bit of wood. It's just a bit of wood, really. Let's not pretend it's something it's not. I'm going to strap it down there, and I'm going to start shaping this manually. I haven't done that for a while. It's going to be hot. It's going to be sweaty. I'm probably not going to talk much. I'll just do some music. Bit of music? Do you prefer talking or music? Let me know, comment, because then YouTube knows that you don't think I'm a prick. Strapping her on. Let's have a little look, see what we can do.
There had to be another way.
Well, I think that's enough dust and mess for this video. We got quite far. Camera's over my shoulder, it's a bit odd, isn't it? Really fucking steady on. We're profiled, I've got a lot of sand in and a little bit more work to do. Never done a volute before. So I am off camera because I'm sweating my ass off and it's my lad's birthday today, so I've got to get away. I've got to take another couple of mil off at least this end and we're going to come back up to 23 at the top. I'll do that off camera because it's boring, isn't it? The Revstar volute versus my volute. I'm still a bit chonky there, but we're getting to a similar spot. Very steep haunch. Very steep. Back up on the wall for you, you bastard. Right, so we are neck pocketed out. We've still got to put an angle on the neck pocket to get that to work. But we are beginning. It's a shame I'm painting this guitar because the colour scheme's actually pretty mental. I like it. We are beginning to look like a guitar. Finally, he says, finally, Jesus. We're getting there. This guitar is actually, it's very light. It's like super light. So in the next video, I'm not going to make any promises. We'll just do some more bits. Thanks for watching, everyone. Keep subscribing. Please subscribe. Make sure you comment. I answer all your comments. I love reading them. It still amazes me that so many people do comment. You're all part of the community. You'll see over there, we've got a new map of the world.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Coming soon, my favourite comments. You're going to get a shout out and a little pin in the map because I want to see where everyone is in the world. I think it's amazing. Welcome to the family. Yeah, keep coming back. Keep coming back. Tell your friends, Dickhead Online needs a bit of love. See you later, everyone. Take it easy.